Hi, I'm Bhavya, and in this video I'll walk you through how to sign in, configure and use Postbuddy, our social media engagement tool. Postbuddy is basically a Chrome extension built to help creators, influencers and even social media managers or anyone who wants to engage with their audience smarter on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp and more. So whether you are trying to build your brand or save time replying to thousands of DM, this one is basically for you. So let's get started. So here we are. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can basically install Postbuddy.ai, how you can do the sign up. Then I'll tell you how you can configure it as per your brand. Then comes the actual part, how you can use it on LinkedIn. So for that, first you have to navigate to Postbuddy.ai. Then you can add to the Chrome for login part. So add to Chrome, then you have to click on add extension. Don't forget to pin it so that it would be easy for you to access it later. Click on Postbuddy icon, enter your email ID. Click on next. So here I'm waiting for the OTP to arrive on the email ID which I've mentioned. So it's basically a 6-digit OTP. Let me just check it once. Enter the OTP, verify it. Now the sign up part has been done. You can see your name visible on the right hand side. See, it's that easy. So now you can basically configure it as per your brand. You can basically decide the word limit, tone, even the intent of comment and also the brand wise. So now we'll do the configuration part. For that you have to click on icon. You can basically decide the word limit. Here I'm choosing less than 150. Then you can decide the tone. Here I'm choosing the professional. Then you can decide the tone, intent, informative. The brand voice I'll tell you in the next video. So then you can basically hit the save configuration button. So let me just show you how this thing works. Let me go to LinkedIn. I'm just refreshing it first. So this tool works on all the platform, be it Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp. So here we can see like a post by Parag Gupta. I don't know what this post is all about, but Postbuddy.ai knows it. So I'm just going on the comment. Here you can see for auto reply. So you can choose any of them. And the Postbuddy will basically draft a beautiful comment based on what this post is all about. So in the free access it will show you like created by Postbuddy.ai, which obviously you can remove it. So I'm just basically removing some more parts for making it a little smaller. Then what you can do is you can basically click on create button. I'm just giving you one more example. Let me just see some more posts. Okay, so we have a post by Amit Singh. I don't know what this post is all about. So here also I'm just basically clicking on agree. So it will draft a beautiful comment based on what prompt you are basically choosing or which button you are choosing. So yeah, you can basically click on comment and that's it. So that's how you install and configure and use Postbuddy to elevate your social media game. In the next video, I'll be diving deeper into the advanced feature and smart hacks that you will love. Want a free access to Postbuddy? Just drop a comment below or DM us and we'll send you an exclusive invite to try it out. We do love your feedback so we can keep improving and make your engagement even better. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.